Hello everyone, I am Dattatra Nikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is problem solving skill. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to various topics of engineering, fundamental, project and career, instrumentation and engineering, deliverable, telecommunication engineering, renewable energy, interview question, procurement engineering, and many more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and get latest notification on upload of our new video by pressing bell icon to get latest update on our new topic. As everyone know, in everyone's life, problem always arises, but some persons face the problem until the problem will defeat or solve, and some persons may face the problem but they are not making any hard work or effort so that they can defeat against the problem. Introduction to problem solving skill. One can refer to the picture where the problem skills are shown, and it is really difficult to understand or recognize which are the critical skills are required to solve the problem. And similarly, what is a problem? That is a problem plus thinking can give you the better solution. Similarly, in a third picture, one can see the problem solving skill is defining, planning, creativity, innovative, causes, goal, methods, solution. Many things are defined. So objective of today's topic is to understand what is a problem and which are the steps to be followed so that one will have the optimum step to get or have a problem solving skill. So continue watching the video till the end and get the entire detail about problem solving skills. Let's first understand what is problem. Problem means it gives a chance to us to know our capabilities and our strength. It shows us to who is really with us. It shows the real truth behind the scenes. It gives the experience that what is the value of life. It shows the importance of a learning. It shows that how to work with a unity and a power of unity. It's the door of the next level, is the staircase of the growth, and shows that you are unique from the different. For better understanding what is a problem means, P is for the preparation for, R is a reminder of, O is the opportunity, B is the blessing, L for learning, E problem educate us, problem has a meaningful message, and a problem always have a solution. This is what problem means to me. This is what I try to define. You need to understand what is the problem and you need to work accordingly to solve your problem and to develop your problem solving skills. Problem solving skills. Although problem solving is a skill in its own right, and subset of a such skill can help make the process of a problem solving more easier. This mainly include analysis, communication, emotional intelligence, resilience, creativity, adaptability, and teamwork. One can refer to the picture where 5 steps to effective problem solving are shown. First step is define the problem. Second, brainstorm possible solution. Third, evaluate the solution. Fourth, implement the solution. Fifth, monitor and adjust. We will see each step in a detail. First, define the problem. This takes time to analyze the issue and gather information as much as possible. It's a crucial to identify the causes of the problem and its impact on your team or organization. Second step, brainstorm possible solution. It is always important to be creative and come up with as many as solutions possible for a problem, even if they seems to be unrealistic or impractical. These brainstorming can be done individually or to be done in a group or to be done where the team members can bounce ideas of each other and give the ideas. create an atmosphere where open and a same environment will feel everyone comfortable for sharing their ideas. Always remember to focus on the generating the idea without evaluating or criticizing their ideas during these sessions. Third is to understand that evaluate the solution. It's essential to prioritize solution based on their impact on the problem and their feasibility, considering the resources of time and effort required to implement each solution. Some solutions may be quick, that can be fixed immediately or implemented immediately, while others may require some time to have a planning and a preparation. It's important to choose a solution that can be address the problem effectively, while some being are feasible to implement within the given resources and a time frame, may be prepared to modify or pivot to a different kind of a solution if the initial solution does not yield the required or desired result. Fourth, implement the solution. Implementing the chosen solution requires a careful planning and execution. The team needs to work together to ensure that the solution is implemented smoothly and efficiently, and plan should include a timeline, specific tasks, and deadlines. Assigning the roles and responsibility to each team member is very crucial to ensure that everyone understands their roles while implementing the process. The team should communicate regularly, always discuss the progress, identify obstacles, and adjust the plan if necessary or if it is required. It is also important to track the progress of the implementing to ensure that everything is on track. Last is fifth, monitor and adjust. Monitoring and adjusting the solutions is a crucial in ensuring that the problem is fully resolved. It is essential to track the progress of the solutions and evaluate its effectiveness. If the solution is not working as per plan, then it is important to adjust it accordingly. This step requires flexibility and open mind communication among the team member. It is important to gather the feedback from the team member as well as the stakeholder to ensure that the solution is meeting their needs or the requirement. This is what the 5 steps are effective while problem solving. And please remember, learning from the mistake is also an important aspect of effective problem solving. Every problem presents an opportunity to learn and grow. This is what the problem skills are, and one should have a correct approach to solve the problem. Hope today's topic will help you to enhance your problem solving skill. Keep watching our videos. Thank you.
With this, we are concluding on our today's topic, and you can find our channel details as follows. If you are new to our channel, that is our YouTube channel eFunda, then subscribe to our channel eFunda, and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest notification of upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Similarly, you can follow us on a Instagram page. Similarly, you can follow us on our Facebook page as well. And keep watching our channel eFunda for various topics related to engineering and a project. With this, we can assure you this will help you to better your understanding on engineering and a project topic. Keep watching our channel eFunda. Thanks. Watch our channel for new day, new topic.